can't sleep. What to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you.
Right here.
Yup. Boo boo, what are we doing?
We're going to get you a car.
We're gonna go get my car. Back that way. Yeah, we're going to Kia. Right over Dia. You can see it in there. I got the negotiating master right here besides my parents, my mom. She's a negotiating queen. And he got it down to a really good price, my friends. And so we're gonna drive off in a car here in a little bit. And I'm gonna show you it. Ah! Sitting in my new car. Woo! Woo! Been here all day. It is now 6:30 and we're finally gonna drive off. Ooh, I'm cold. In my new car. Yay! Woo! I'll show you more of the car tomorrow in better lighting and hopefully better weather. So let's head to get groceries and then head home. And also kind of show you the spot that we are in right now. Kind of show you a little tour. But I'll see you in a little bit. New car, gotta pay attention to the driving, you know.
Oh baby, I've been waiting for you. Now we are one step closer. We're all in this together, put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, moving on. Oh, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, stay strong. Oh, it looks like we.
Good morning, everybody. It's now the next day. As I was trying to show you, but the battery's dying, I was gonna make myself a little milkshake, some strawberries, frozen bananas, frozen strawberries, protein coffee, and water. And that's gonna be it. We are heading out to put some stuff in storage. I don't know if I want to carry all this stuff. This bag's gonna be heavy. Today, as well as getting some leveling blocks, because in the spot that we're in today or now, it's a little bit slanted and you can't level it sideways without blocks. So we're gonna go get some of that and maybe an outdoor rug, and I'll show you my car in the daytime. I'm excited. Let me show you. One sec, let me put everything in the car. Hey Bobo, we're gonna be back in just a little bit, okay? You be good. Leave a light on for him because I think he freaks out last time. Yeah. Okay, you be good, okay, Bubble? Bubble? You got my keys? We put the laundry basket there so he doesn't scratch at the screen. So let me show you my car. Bam, dizzle. Look at that beauty. Dang, look at that shine. The sunshine's shining right off that clean car. Ooh. It's a beaut. What do you think of my car, Boo? Huh? What do you think of my car? Nice. We wanted a white car, but you know, you get what you get. I want to drive. Okay? Yay! See y'all at the storage unit. Bonus part of the car, I just gotta say, is the fact that, ooh, don't want to hear my drink, is look, this fits. Bam! So I can bring this. Yay! This is the inside of the car, the dashboard. I still have the little, these on here until I get like floor mats, so that way it's not dirty. And then the back, and we got stuff in the back to take to the dumpster and to the storage unit. It's actually kind of warm today. I got my water bottle here, but I got one filled up in my bag. And we are ready. Ready, Teddy. Let's get-y. We made it to the storage unit. We are going to put some stuff in there and get some stuff out. Oh. So let me pull everything up. What'd that code be? 1 second. Do you need it? I have it right here. You have it? So I want to, let me put y'all down.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
All right, so I got my spray tanning stuff. So if you're in the Austin, Dripping Springs, Buda, Kyle area, whatever, Austin area, let me know. I'll spray tan you. Now we are off to Cabela's because we need to get some leveling blocks for the RV and maybe a few other things. So I just have to give myself a pedicure at home. I got this stuff too. I mean, save money. Spending a lot of money everywhere else, so might as well spend money, save money on a pedicure. So off to Cabela's.
These spots right here.
Okay. At Cabela's.
Put that away.
No, why? Are you embarrassed?
Yeah.
Who cares?
I care.
I don't. I'm recording myself. You're just a passenger on the Yaya train. My hair's super greasy. He'll get used to it. Don't worry, y'all.
No, I won't.
Don't worry, y'all. At Cabela's. We just finished having dinner at Homespun, and the best waitress in the world. What was her? Claire? You can speak too. Joey like fell in love, got a little jealous, but it's okay. She was the best because she brought us extra dessert and she's awesome. But this is gonna go ahead and end the vlog. What?
Awesome.
And yeah, we had a pretty good day. We did laundry. We tried to level out the RV. We got my car. Only thing left is to find Boo Boo here, a truck. But you're looking. So, Capo. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and close out the vlog here, this video. This is more of just like vlog style. Just letting y'all in on trying to fix stuff from what? My car flooding. But anyway, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and become part of the Freedom Finders. We need to find a good name, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, is the only word. All right, bye guys. I'm gonna keep that in too.